hair mask actually define your curls, or is it just marketing? I'm sure as a curly girl, you've seen it a million times. You'll see a conditioner that says, it will define your curls, or you'll see a mask that says, helps with curl definition. But it's a product that gets rinsed out of your hair. You don't actually style with it. So does it actually define or even curl train your curls? The answer is actually going to shock you. And this is coming from somebody who had very damaged, horrible, stringy curls to somebody who has like almost next to perfect, if I do say so myself, curls. So let's break it down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Barbie Dell. I'm a curl coach, and I help people just like you discover and love their curly hair. Through my videos and my curly hair subscription, Curls Monthly, I help people build routines that actually work. Each month, Curls Monthly sends you 5 curated and customizable products directly to your door. So if you're interested in signing up and being a part of my curl club, I will drop the link for that below. What's wild is, as you know on this channel, I am constantly reviewing products. Like, how many videos are on this channel? In the hundreds. So I've tried a lot of products and I've seen a lot of brands say things. I've seen them claim that their conditioner or mask is the best conditioner in the world and it will solve all of your curl problems. But it's difficult to understand because in shower products don't contain holding ingredients. You rinse them out. So can it actually define your curls? Like, is any of this true? So yes, curl masks can define your curls, but you have to take that word with a grain of salt. And not every hair mask can define your curls, but some can long term. Typically how it works is some curly hair masks include ingredients that are specifically meant to penetrate your hair and soothe your cuticle down. When your cuticle is soothed down, then your curls won't separate as much and they'll actually clump together and form families or curl clumps easier. So this allows the individual strands to clump into these families for that bouncy curl pattern rather than expanding and becoming stringy. Oh yeah, they can define your curls over time if used consistently and properly, but it has to be the right kind. So what are some ingredients to look out for if you are truly looking to enhance your curl definition? You are going to want ingredients that improve your elasticity. The better your elasticity, the bouncier and healthier and juicier your curls are. You want to look for things like protein or glycerin or panthenol. You want ingredients that reduce frizz because reduced frizz equals the more defined they look and the more they will clump together. So some ingredients that reduce frizz are like the oils. So if you have a hair mask that has a lot of oils in it, that will probably reduce frizz to some level. The butters, if you have a hair mask with like shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, that will also help your curls. You also might want to look for some curl enhancers in the product. So these are the ingredients like all of the polyquaterniums. You might say polyquaternium 37, polyquaternium 55. We call them the polyquats in the biz. So if you want all these things and you want to actually improve your curls and you want to actually improve your definition, I did pick a product for you that's perfect, that checks all the boxes, and I do think that you probably will really like it. Today I'm highlighting the Malibu Curl Mask. This actually just entered Curls Monthly in August 2026. Curls Monthly subscribers will get 2 packets. They come in individual packets, like this is technically the full size, because the Malibu products are honestly so great and potent that like it's sort of just like a one hit and done type of a thing. So this mask is actually also brand new. So Curls Monthly subscribers are the first people to get to actually try this. It's great for all hair types, especially curls and coils. It supports curl memory for longer lasting curls. So it's that curl memory that you are really going to look for when you're looking to help define your curls. Curl memory is basically elasticity. It's basically like if you stretch your hair, it goes back to the place that it just was and it doesn't just stay stretched. It will help define your curls. It'll help improve your retention. It has super, super, super rich moisture, adds some shine, and really just makes it easy to detangle your hair. So they do have ingredients like butters. They have shea butter in it, glycerin, there's glycerin in it, castor seed oil and argan oil for those oils. Like, it does check all those boxes. Now, typically, even though Malibu is very concentrated and good, I don't want you to think that you're going to use a mask one time, change nothing else about your curl routine, and think that you're going to see life-changing results. It's consistency over time that really helps you see those results, and just good choices in general. It's just like working out. You could do the best workout routine, you could do a totally customized workout routine for you, but if you only ever do it one time, you're not really gonna see a difference. Here's some ways that you can get the most out of your hair mask so you're really making the most of the times that you do end up doing that. Number 1, I typically like to use a hair mask after I've clarified You don't have to do this. You can use a hair mask after you shampoo, but after you clarify, your hair is at the cleanest state it will be, which means that the pores on your hairs are cleansed, which means that the product can actually soak into your hair that much better. After shampooing twice, you apply the hair mask to your mids and your ends and then detangle it through with a detangling brush. Always, always, always listen to the directions for how long you should leave it on. This particular mask only needs to be left on for 3 to 5 minutes, which is ideal. I'm telling you, Malibu is such a brilliant company. They just jam pack it all in. You don't have to leave it on for long, so you can just kind of wash your body and then rinse it off. So when you rinse it out, you want to make sure you rinse it out completely. You don't want any residue of that inside of your hair. And this is meant to be used as a weekly treatment. So if you kept up with this for 2 months, I'm telling you, you would be looking at a completely different girl in the mirror. Moral of the story, yes, hair masks can help define your curls if you're doing them frequently and in the right manner and using the right type for specifically definition purposes. Okay, so let me know your questions about defining with hair masks below. If you want to try out Malibu C Curl Wellness Hair Mask along with 4 other products, I will link below. Curls Monthly, I would love to have you inside, and I'll see you next time.